Healthcare has changed so much and arguably is the single most important topic in the U.S. right now. The pharmacist's role has expanded far past the dispensing of a drug, ensuring that each patient in a very individualized way. The goal is to be on the safest and most effective and most cost-effective therapy. That is true precision medicine.
We encourage you to ask questions. We want you to be curious. In order to stay interested, in order to stay engaged, you need to want to know why.
And the combination of science and facilitation of collaboration has allowed the School of Pharmacy to benefit in many ways. And it is a scientific way of thinking that actually supersedes everything. I consider the art installation that's going up, it's being done at the appropriate time with the use of very few words, very carefully selected artwork. It states how we are different from every other school in the world, and that is one that a scientific way of thinking, a respect for the individualized therapy for every patient, and the empathy, it's all there in that artwork.
UCSF specifically really welcomes curiosity to find solutions. What we're focusing on here is making therapeutics the most precise they can be to be the most effective and safe in your body.
Yeah, so like questioning the status quo is the culture at UCSF.
One of the things that made it stand out was the emphasis on diversity.
Patient-centered to me means that there are a lot of options out there and you always have to be thinking what's best for each patient.
I read a lot of cool stuff. I read a lot of like UCSF values, like something I learned like my first day here and then I continuously see.
I really liked the one that said change is opportunity.
I liked curiosity is cool. It just seems like it would be something that I would say.
Pharmacy problems are solutions waiting to be found. This is actually what we do.
If you have ambitions or dreams of being a pharmacist, if you want to be in an environment that is stimulating, that is cutting edge, that are doing things that no one else in the world is doing, this is the place to be. The students are our partners. You are pioneers. And we're in this together and we're partners together.
There is no other pharmacy school experience that you will get in the world.